Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen property location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, required present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Description box. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. Check out how this property share your experience. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.